Shop Talk. We're looking at a Jonsered 451E chainsaw, 44 cc's. Very popular firewood cutting saw. Take a close-up look at it. It's got a 18-inch barn chain, 3/8 pitch. And kill switch is right here on the left. Choke is on the right. It does have the operator presence lever. It won't throttle up unless your hand's in place. Gas reservoir right here. Oil reservoir up front. It is rubber mounted for more vibration dampening. Large tone quiet muffler. Working chain brake. It is a vintage saw. I took it on trade and I'm selling it for parts or repair. It does run very well. I don't think there's very much wrong with it. I haven't made a cut with it, just took it in on trade, and you can see what it is. It does run good, make you a great firewood saw, but it is being sold as is.